April 26, 1986. The day the world witnessed one of the worst nuclear disasters in history. In the small town of Pripyat, Ukraine, Reactor 4 of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded, releasing radiation 400 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Thousands were evacuated, but they didn't know the invisible enemy was already in the air. Even today, the entire zone is a ghost town, frozen in time. Dolls, gas masks and schoolbooks still lie exactly where they were left. But here's the strangest part. Some claim to see shadow figures inside the ruins. Is it the radiation playing tricks on the mind, or something far more sinister? Chernobyl isn't just a disaster site. It's a haunted graveyard of secrets. Would you ever visit Chernobyl? Comment your answer below.